guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another installation of beauty box unboxing. This is the Allure September box. I am so excited for this one. I cannot wait to show you guys what is in here. So I'm gonna waste no time at all. I'm gonna jump right into unboxing it. So of course, when you get into it, you have the pamphlet, which is just gonna tell you everything that is inside of here. I enjoy these ones. They give you a little bit more of a background. They tell you the price and a good description about each item and why they chose it. So I enjoy getting that in there. But then let's move on to the items. In September's box, you received 5 items. Let me get started with the first. First up, I have the Tarte Pro Lash Adhesive in Clear. It retails for $9 and this is a full-size item. I am honestly so happy that this came in this month's box. If you saw my most recent video, you know that I'm just scraping out product from my Ardell lash grip. There's barely anything in here and I needed to buy a new one, so this kind of worked out perfect. Which I'll kind of just mention again, I was enjoying the lash grip, but I found that a lot of residue is left at the end of the night in your lashes from the lash glue, and I wasn't really enjoying that aspect of it, so I was planning to switch it up and try out a new one. So this ended up being perfect. I'm going to be testing this one out right away. It does have a little brush applicator, so you're just going to paint it on to the lash band. Which I have found that I enjoy this type a little bit better than the ones that come out of the little squeezy tube. It can get quite messy using one of these because you have to push out the product and then it can glop out all at once and just be a whole big mess. So I'm enjoying that it comes with a little brush applicator and the fact that they gave you a full size of it. And then to pair with the lash glue, they also put a pair of Tarte Pro Girl Boss Lashes in the box. It retails for $12 and this is the style Flirt. Here, so you can see a little bit better what the lashes look like. They do look very wispy, but they look so long. They have 2 layers. One sits on top that's a little shorter, another that is longer. They are definitely gonna be an interesting pair to try out. They do feel soft. They are cruelty-free lashes. I've never tried a pair of Tarte lashes before, so that is really exciting. To be 100% honest, I didn't even know Tarte made lashes, so this completely caught me off guard along with the lash glue. The third item in this month's box is the IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. This is definitely a sample slash kind of deluxe size. It has 15 milliliters in it. The full size has 5 ounces and it is $29. They say this product infuses straight hair with piecey texture, enhances God-given waves and curls, and smells fancy. Like bergamot and lemon zest. Interesting. And in the description, they give a little quote from someone who's used the product, and it says, "I rake it through my damp hair and do a little scrunching for extra oomph and air dry. My curls stay defined and frizz-free for 3 full days." Not bad. I do want to give this a little smell and just see how fancy it smells. It has an interesting smell. I don't smell the lemon zest. It smells very heavily perfumed, but to each their own. So for me, my hair is pretty much straight, so it would only give me a real piecey texture, like it says. I wonder if I should just give this to my youngest sister-in-law. She has gorgeous curls that are so full and so bouncy. She could probably really benefit from this, so I think I'm gonna end up giving this to her instead because it could definitely help her out more than me. But a good little product to get in the box. Then we have ourselves a MAC lipstick. You could either receive Lustring or Ruby Woo, which I got the shade Lustring, and these are $18.50 a piece. And this is one of their luster lipsticks, and we all kind of know what MAC packaging looks like. It is their classic black, and here it is. Gonna do a little swatch, and there is what Lustring looks like. I'm gonna wipe off the lip I have on because I just want to see how it looks. probably won't go with this eye look though. Here's what Lustring looks like on the lips. It feels so soft and creamy, and it has a really beautiful shine to it. It kind of feels and looks like a gloss in a way. I would definitely say it's a little bit of a sheer coverage, so if you enjoy the more kind of natural, effortless, stained kind of lip look with a little bit of a gloss to it, this could be really good for you. This lip color doesn't necessarily go with the eye look that I created today, but it is very pretty. I'm gonna leave it on and just tell you guys about the last product that is inside the box, which is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. A full size of this product is 50 milliliters and it is $80. This has 15 milliliters in it, so it's about a third, if I'm being completely accurate. It's 3.3333 continuous. So that would probably make this product between $24 to $25 for this size right here, which isn't bad because Drunk Elephant is a higher end skincare line. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but people rave about it, especially my mom. She's on her second bottle of this. She has a little bit more mature skin, and she says she's seen so many benefits after using this product that she swears by it. I personally have only tested out once, so I can't really say, you know, how good it is for me. But I just know a lot of people really love it, so I'm kind of excited to be able to test it out now. I think there was a lot of good stuff inside of this month's box. If you are completely new and haven't ordered from Allure before, it is $10. If you have been continuously purchasing from them, it is $15 per the box. And the overall value of all of the products included is $64.50, which I didn't include the IGK, because I'd consider this more of a sample size, so usually I don't really include the price on that one, but I did include the one of the Drunk Elephant. And thinking about it, if you are someone who loves Drunk Elephant and you swear by this product, like you are continuously purchasing it, it might be really beneficial for you to pick up one box, or even, dare I say, two, because if it's $15 a box, you'll pay 30 bucks, get a total of 30 milliliters of this product, and then also get the added bonus of getting 2 MAC lipsticks, 2 pairs of lashes, 2 lash glues, 2 of the other hair care things. So it would be a really good value, and it's something to kind of think about if you're someone who swears by this product. Just my 2 cents. Honestly, I am 100% satisfied with this month's box. Dare I say it? Is it one of the best boxes to date? It is tied between this one and the Allure collaboration box they did with Kat Von D. So it's up there, it's up there. I think they had some great stuff in there with great values. But that concludes this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!